Right. Are y'all ready to brawl? Let's go. Today is the day that you have to bring it forward to make it to the finale.
It's all or nothing at this point.
It is.
Talk about the day that Harrelson's had.
I know.
You know I'm not going home today. What you making, Harold? Chinatown special. Give it a closer, huh? Barbecue roasted duck with spam fried rice and